Hello again, Kat. So before I left Prince Rupert, I went out on what was probably the first and last day of spring to record some footage and show you what the town actually looks like. To me, it's pretty standard North American suburb/rural housing design, but I thought it'd be interesting for you to see how it differs from the UK and Andalusian architecture and city layout. The route I'll take you on will start on my commute to work, and then down to the waterfront, where you'll meet a special legend, and then walk along the waterfront through a popular trail to the other side of town, and then stroll through the neighbourhood, where I'll show you what some of the houses look like here before ending back at my place. This is like the main street / downtown. It's 3rd Avenue, and it's pretty unspectacular, I think. This over here is 2nd Avenue, also known as Highway 16, which runs just a few more kilometers west to the port of Prince Rupert. You see that? Let's see if we can get that guy. What's up, Sasquatch? This here is my favorite spot and view from the city. I used to come here a lot for my lunch breaks. It was nice and relaxing. This is what the city of Prince Rupert is now calling Rupert's Landing. I like it most because it's one of the only places in town where you can completely avoid looking at the city itself. It's a top place to read a book, and it was one of those days where it wasn't raining, and I did. Here you can see how the land front and the mountains in the background were both carved by glaciers thousands of years ago. There, you can see what's called Cow Bay. It's a colorful and touristy part of town with a great brewery and a sushi place. It's right beside the cruise ship terminal right over here. I don't know why, but people love this place, and it's total trash. This area here is called Rushbrook Harbour. On most nice days, you'll find Harbour Seals playing near the docks, and it's a good time.
Hi.
So Rushbrook Trail is the most accessible walking and running trail in town. It runs along what used to be the railway that extended past Rupert's Landing all the way to Seal Cove on the other end. You can still see some of the remaining rail lines incorporated into the trail today. This is Seal Cove salt marsh. It's been restored by the community over a couple of years to its more natural state. And here is Seal Cove. This is where all the seaplanes take out of and fly into the sky and land. Here, I'll be walking through the eastern half of the city, and I'll show you what the streets and homes look like in the typical neighborhood here. This half of town has these really cool walking paths that cut through all the streets just for pedestrians. I think they're really cool. And that's it. A quick tour around Prince Rupert, the waterfront, and half the town. Next time, I'll show you how to Guai.
Environment Canada, once we're in safer, calmer waters, and then proceed when we're back into more safer parameters to cross the Skidegate.